Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm going to show you what I have here. It is the shower caddy and I just dropped everything out of the box, but I'll show you what all comes with it. You get the shower caddy itself, and look, it's got all these holes in here so it'll drain okay. And then you've got these suction cup mounts for it. So there's two of those, and then we even comes with two of these plastic round discs, so if your wall is not adhesive enough or smooth enough, if it's like made out of porous tile or something like that, you can put the stickers on there. But the way it kind of works is we'll put this on. Let me see, is it going to go like that? Okay, so it's going to want to end up this way. So you'll put them on like this. One here, and oh, I suction cupped it onto something else. But okay, and then like this right here. And then that's going to give it the ability to suction. So then we put it on like this, and then when we go down, it sucks in the suction cup. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Let's see. See if we can find a place where we can do it, where you can see me. Can you see me here? Yes. So I'm just putting it on here. This is not going to be the permanent location for it, but it is the current location for it. So, oh, you know what? I probably should take off the little stickers. This is just a little protector piece for it. They have just a little plastic on it, you know. Probably not the best place to stick it is inside of it, but you get the idea. So I go like that and then push it down, and then it holds it into place, and then I can put whatever stuff in it. I mean, it's big. It'll fit this. It'll fit even, well, almost fits this. That's a full bottle of Lysol wipe stuff. But you see, it's really strong and really big. You could have some big bottles of shampoo in there or anything you want, and it's going to hold it in place. And it's got the holes in the bottom, so if it gets all wet and whatever, it will just drain through. So my goal is going to be to put it on this wall here. Right here, it will get knocked into all the time. But if I put it on this back wall here, it'll be better. But you guys won't be able to see it very well. So I'm just demonstrating here. But that's it. So my wall is going to be good enough. I don't need to use those discs. But if we did need to use those discs, they are just adhesive. So you peel off one side and it has a sticker on it, and then you just stick it on, and then the suction cups will stick to that. So that's just kind of what those are for. Let me see if there's anything else we're missing here on the instructions. I mean, I was supposed to clean the area first, but you get the idea. Pretty straightforward. Nice to have a shower holder. So thumbs up on that for sure.